Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of offline on the application of Brave. We will go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page of apps we will search about Brave app and we click. Here in this page we click on first app and we click OK. Then we will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, we will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Brave app. If you find update in display sign, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.